Hello everyone. In today's episode, we will discuss how you can rejuvenate your skin the natural way. We all would like to keep our skin healthy, glowing, and free of spots and wrinkles. Unfortunately, time leaves traces on the face that are difficult to hide. But did you know that there are natural remedies that can reduce them? In this video, we will break down the steps or habits that you should follow to rejuvenate your complexion, followed by some product recommendations that will help you achieve your goals faster. So, if you want to know how to keep your skin youthful and full of radiance, keep watching. Welcome to Beauty Talks with Rachel, the show that will guide you into perfecting your skincare routine. My goal is to help you understand the what, how, and why of all things beauty and hopefully help you make the best choices for your skin. Today's topic is all about making your skin look 5 years younger. While genetics influence the quality of our skin and the way it ages, our lifestyle and the care we give it also have their role to play. It's important to understand the skin's natural aging process, as it allows us to provide solutions that are adapted to our daily lives and give our skin the opportunity to mature in a beautiful and healthy way. Understanding the aging process. Over time, our skin becomes less effective at repairing itself. This means that cells are no longer renewed at the same speed that they once were, which causes dead skin cells to accumulate on the surface. In addition, the production of collagen and elastin decreases, leaving the skin looking saggy and feeling dehydrated. These factors, in addition to other environmental ones such as repeated sun exposure and smoking, lead to the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and even dark circles. But before you start stressing, there are solutions to slow down the aging process and even bring back your skin's health and radiance. Number 1. Pamper yourself. The first habit to adopt in order to promote facial rejuvenation is to pamper your skin as much as possible. When you apply a cream or any sort of product, gently massage your face so as not to irritate your skin. Your skin needs a lot of tenderness to avoid the effects of time. Use gentle gestures to nourish your skin deeply and give it a proper glow. Number 2. Exfoliate to remove dead skin cells. Using an exfoliating scrub at least once a week will remove dead skin cells and stimulate cell renewal. This is a vital part of giving your skin proper care. In order to help you do just that, I would like to recommend the Elixir Light Exfoliating Shower Gel. This product is packed with exfoliating particles that help to gently eliminate dead skin cells. It also works to firm and smooth the skin, properly exfoliating it without causing any redness or blemishes. Another body scrub I want to recommend is the BB Clear Vitamin C Exfoliating Shower Gel. This shower gel will not only relieve your skin of accumulated dead skin cells, but will also provide you with all of the vitamin C benefits required to transform your skin from dull to radiant. Number 3. Don't neglect moisturizing. After exfoliating your skin, don't forget to moisturize it. Poor hydration can lead to premature aging. Apply a moisturizer morning and night in order to protect and nourish your skin. Having said that, I would like to recommend the Pro White Collagen Cream and Lotion. This range has an exceptional formula made from egg yolk and shea butter that will deeply nourish your skin while also treating it. 2 other products I want to mention are the Perfect Glow Cream and Lotion, packed with vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene. This range is perfect to treat, hydrate, and nourish your skin. The Perfect Glow Cream and Lotion both work to retain moisture in the skin while protecting your cells from getting damaged. A small tip I would like to add on the subject of hydration is that it is extremely important for you to drink at least 1.5 liters of water every day. This will help regenerate your skin and give it all the nutrients it needs. Using products on your skin is great, but it doesn't mean you can forget to take care of your body. Number 4. Treat your skin. An obvious but necessary habit you should maintain in order to preserve your skin is to simply take care of it. Create a dedicated routine with products that fit with your end results. Include serums, oils, and dark spot removers, as these products are fast absorbent and treat the skin from within. Here are some great ones that you can use. Starting off with serum, I personally use the BB Clear Vitamin C Serum. I love this serum because it is a 5-in-1 product, so I'm sure that it will treat all of my concerns. Whether you want to reduce dark spots, eliminate wrinkles, or tone the complexion, this serum does it all. For body oil, I use the Coco Clear Oil. It has a formula rich in coconut oil, which helps reduce the appearance of fine lines while retaining moisture. It also keeps my skin smooth and shiny. As for dark spot removers, I use the Precious Perfect Day and Night DSRs. Each one is formulated to perfectly fit your morning and night needs. It is also amazing at targeting dark spots and eliminating them on the hardest areas of the body. Number 5. Protect yourself from the sun. Lastly, if you want to rejuvenate your skin with a skincare routine, you should consider the sun your number one enemy. UV rays prevent your skin cells from renewing themselves, and worse, they cause premature aging. The production of collagen and elastin, which we mentioned earlier and which are essential to fight aging, also decreases considerably under the effect of the sun. With that said, the products that I would like to recommend for this step are the Pro White Cream and the Precious Perfect Day Dark Spot Remover, which I previously mentioned. In addition to their individual benefits, they also contain an SPF of at least 45. So not only is your skin effectively treated and deeply hydrated, but it is also protected from harmful UV rays. That's it for this week's episode. I hope you find the information in this episode useful and that you'll use it to start maintaining your skin and protecting it from aging. If you'd like to learn more about using cosmetics and beauty products and the steps necessary to maintain a radiant, hydrated skin, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!